I come from an India which is wounded. I come from an India which is wounded by her pains from the past, the fear of future, and the betrayals of today. I come from an India which is envenomed by the poison of falsehood, stereotypes, and prejudice. I come from an India that has struggled every time for everything and yet has never stopped. I come from an India that believes in Atithi Devo Bhava and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I come from an India which refugees across continents trust, not just now but since ages. And yes, I come from an India that worships women in the day and in the night. I come from an India that celebrates Lakshmi Pujan and Navratri. I come from an India that not only worships but idolizes women, where the very allegory of India is called Bharat Mata, where Lakshmi Bai is a living example of bravery, a Savitri who fights death to save her beloved, and a Savitri Bai who fights all odds to receive and give education. And I come from an India where women like them are the eternal examples of women empowerment solely by their deeds and not by just mentioning it in their social media bio. Fortunately or unfortunately, I come from an India that is very tolerant. Tolerant to those who think Vande Mataram is communal. Tolerant to those who say that Bharat Mata Ki Jai is oppressive. Tolerant to those who try to break India and pray for her destruction. And tolerant to those who insult the very idea of India. I come from an India that is very tolerant. Tolerant to those who unnecessarily float the Rapistan narrative. Tolerant to those who only paint a repressive image of her. Tolerant to those who abuse her in the day and in the night, and tolerant to those who care for everything but India. Yes, I come from an India whose intellectuals have a global approach. Yes, I come from an India whose intellectuals have a global approach, so global that their heart aches for Palestine. But don't you dare talk about Kashmiri Pandits. And yes, it's true. It's true that I come from an India where rapes are a big problem. It's true that I come from an India where rapes are a very big problem, where women don't feel safe, where children die of hunger, where corruption corrodes the system. Yes, I come from an India that has problems. Yes, I come from an India that is not perfect, just like any other country. Her imperfections cannot scar her growth. Her imperfections cannot scar her growth, cannot hide her heritage, cannot demean her culture or reduce her stature. I come from an India who wears a smile even in the depths of despair. And yes, there aren't two Indias, there is only one. Like a glass almost filled with water with some empty space. So let's focus on the water and let's try to fill the remaining empty glass. And if not, you can keep focusing and sucking up to the air in the empty space of the glass as you do to your Western masters while we focus on the water to make this country Sujalam Sufalam again. Jai Hind.